Welcome back. To write any effective regular expression, you need to know the fundamental building blocks, the sequence characters. These are special escape sequences that let you match entire categories of characters, like all digits or all whitespace, without listing every single character explicitly. 1. Digits \D and \D. The character \D matches any digit, which is the numbers 0 through 9. This is much shorter than writing 0 pipe 1 pipe 2 and so on. Conversely, the uppercase \D matches any character that is not a digit. 2. Word characters \W and \W. The sequence \W matches any word character. This includes lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and the underscore character. It's often used when matching names or identifiers. \W, the uppercase version, matches any character that is not a word character, which includes punctuation and special symbols. 3. Whitespace \S and \S. The sequence \S matches any whitespace character. This includes the standard space, tabs, and new line characters. This is extremely useful for matching structured or formatted data. \S matches any character that is not whitespace, such as letters, numbers, or punctuation. To summarize, these sequence characters are your basic vocabulary for regex. Now that we know how to define simple patterns, let's learn the primary function used to test those patterns, the re.search function. We will use re.search to find the very first instance of a pattern within a string and understand the match object that it returns. Join me in lecture 24.03, Search. See you there.